What do we got here, Professor?
Welcome back to the Scallywag channel. We got a excellent delivery today from Harbor Marine down there. Finally got our long-awaited Yanmar here, so
all the way from Florida somewhere.
Straight from Florida. Yeah. Found the last one in the country, so we now get to decide if our calculations were correct and whether she will fit. But Gio's 100% confident. I've got 99.9% confidence. One way or another, we'll make her fit.
We're gonna make her fit.
Look at this though, beautiful.
Beautiful, long awaited.
Silver gold here.
Nice, 110 horsepower. So we got a few things in the Lady M. She's been sitting here for 6 weeks or more, but now we're in business. It's a new year, and we're gonna get this thing back in the water.
We're now moving in the correct direction.
Yeah.
It's a good day.
It's a good day. Well, let's pop up on to see Gio's got some more good news about pumps.
Yep.
And this little 25 Ranger tug is going to be breathing new life.
Absolutely.
Let's go look at it. Okay, Giovanni, what do we got going on in here?
Welcome back to Lady M. We are deep in our refit, and thanks to our fine friends at Xylem who donated all new pumps to the boat. So to start with, we have a new washdown pump, the Hot Shot HD5. It's going to mount right here.
Yeah.
We got a new macerator pump here.
Direct replacement, nice.
This old thing here, and yeah, we won't have to change any hoses. Actually, you know, we'll put new hoses in there. We want this thing to be in great shape for the new owner. What else we got? We got a couple bilge pumps that are going in here. We got this 900 gallon per hour job. It's really slick. Check this out.
Love the Low Pro. Those are
and you
great
can adjust
pumps.
the discharge angle to wherever you want.
And that goes
go in the
down
end of the engine compartment here. We have another Rule 300 gallon per hour bilge pump that's going to be coupled with a. What do you call this thing?
Yeah, that's a smart switch, ultra switch with the built-in high water alarm and stuff. So that'll mate up with that.
So this guy's going to go in the aft end of the engine compartment. What else we got? We got an accumulator tank to go with our new freshwater tank, or freshwater pump,
which is over here underneath somewhere.
Here.
We can hear it run. We'll find it.
Somewhere in the bilge somewhere. We'll find it. We'll get intimately familiar with its location and wiring soon enough. What else do we got?
That's exciting.
So we got the new engine. Matt just introduced that. We have to get an adapter plate for the old engine, or the old transmission, to couple with the new engine, and a new drive plate, and then we're off to the races.
We're off to the races. I think
we got to fit it in the hole.
We got to fit it in the hole. I think one of the first things we'll do is Matt had the idea. We're going to take the stainless framework that's in the way out, and then straight away we're going to.
This guy's coming off too.
Yeah, we'll take that off, and then we will fly the engine in.
Yep.
And just see how it looks.
Yep.
Because that way we'll know for sure about like the pumps placements and all this other stuff. But most importantly, the big job that I think we have going is this water lift muffler. We have the new Yanmar comes out over here.
Yeah, the new engine's gonna sit here with a exhaust water discharge here.
Here, so we're gonna cross it over and either get a new water lift, or if we have to, we will. There's just fiberglass, and we've got those Marine Tech skills. We could, cut, patch it up, and rotate it around so that we can get the inlet oriented just right.
A 4-inch inlet to a 3-inch inlet, and it's got to come in over here. So we're either going to modify this one or come up with one that works. But either way,
I think that's a good plan of flying the motor in and starting to source this stuff out. If we have to modify, we want to do that before it lands home. So
yeah, and we'll see how the stringers line up with the motor mounts.
It's going to be great. So that's just a quick update, but thanks for watching. You're going to now see week by week updates on the Lady M until we get this thing repowered and put in the water. It's going to be fun. See ya.